What's up guys, welcome to my video, and this video is about one library in Python called Colorama. And with this library you can get color into your text, like this example that you can see. And for downloading it, you can open your PowerShell or CMD in your Windows. I work on a PowerShell, and you can type with pip install Colorama, or even you can come in this PyPI site and find this library. You can copy this and just paste it here. And okay, because I downloaded from past, it said this to me. Okay, it say that already is downloaded. Okay, and wait, let's go. Let's open this. Okay, at first, we have to import this library with import Colorama. Okay, but we have some function, some important function of that to use it. Because of that, we have to import this library like that from Colorama. Wait, import for back, wait, and style. And it's too easy to work with it, and you can use it in your tools. For example, in my Metadata project, do you remember? Let me show you. For example, now on my desktop, you look, for example, the text here in the Metadata project. If you don't know anything about Metadata, there's one tool to hack and get access to any Windows, and the framework of that is wait, what was that? I forgot. Socket. What's Socket? And do you see, for example, here I have some color and beautiful, make it beautiful, more beautiful than another thing. And how we can do it? How we can get, for example, a color to text? We need this to get color. This function for get color. Back for background. So like the example, for example, before we can do this red green. You see, with back we can get the background of that text. And for style, I only want to show you one thing. Okay. I think I'll leave it. I got sick, and I'm sorry that I coughed too much. Okay, we import this library and with these three functions. And look, when I want to print a simple sentence like "Hello world," the sentence that every programmer writes at first. What can be the output of that? I can even run here, or I can go to that folder with this. For example, I wanna go to the folder in CMD. I have two ways. If I wanna, for example, open it in CMD, I can write cd and write the path of the folder, or I can come here and click here, and here type CMD, and you can see that it's open with this path. But I wanna open it in the PowerShell because it's bigger, and I think it's better. Let me figure this even to see. Okay, and for that I have to come here and write cd and Colorama. Wait, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. And let me run this project. For example, with Python, or if you are in a Mac, you have to type, in a Mac or Linux, you have to type Python 3, or you can type py 3, and even here I can type py. But I think Python is better. Python code.py. And write hello world. Okay, with no special color and thing. Okay, how we can get color to this? For that, we have to use the for function. How? Here, before of this quotation, write for dot. Look, always here should be capital, and here when you write dot, if you are in the VS Code connector, because Visual Studio Code. VS Code is a short of Visual Studio Code. Is one place for programming in most of the languages. And okay, if you want, even you can use PyCharm. Let me show you the PyCharm. This is another application to code only with Python, not any languages. But I think the VS Code is easier. Okay, if you are in here, I don't know about PyCharm or anything else, but I know that if you are in the VS Code and type dot, here show you some things. For example, like black, blue, cyan, green, light black, light blue, and lighter, and most of the colors that you have here. And for example, here I use green plus I use for that green plus this word. And let's check the output of that. Write the whole word in a green color. Do you see? It's cool now. And when you can use it, for example, look, it was green, and if we type this light green, look at the light green. It's more light than this. You can, for example, do it when the mission or the thing that you wanna do is finish with success. For example, you wanna say finished. For example, if finish by success, and for example, you wanna write in green to feel better. And look, for example, here, finished is better now. And sometimes you have error. Like what? Like for example, okay, we have error. You can, for example, write it in the red. Listen, here always should be capital, the letters of that, okay? And wait, where was it? Oh, here. In Python code, here, for example, we have error. Do you see in a red color, or for example, light red? And but guys, this YouTube channel, I have to say one thing to you. This YouTube channel is not look like another channel that only upload the videos. It look like a course, and you have to watch the videos from the first. And because, for example, I make one video for even else in Python around 40 minutes, and for example, seeing these videos, you have to see that video, okay? So for example, what we can do, where we can use it, look, for example, here I say try to say, for example, try to say print 2 plus hello, and after that print I told you try accept, yes? I think I told you. If I didn't say you try accept in the Python, okay, that do not work like that. And the next video gonna be try, okay? And so for so here I can use, for example, if 2 plus 2 was 4 print 4 dot screen. That's a plus. Yes. Okay. Right. Yes. It's possible. But if I tried on, I have one else here. But I told you if an else in a Python, the video around 40 minutes. If an else is to say print. Wait. 4 dot. Wait, this in a quotation. Red plus this, and say for example, say no. It's wait 20 minutes. It's not possible, or is impossible. And okay, the output's gonna be yes, it's possible. Why? Because the 2 plus 2 is 5. Now, look, yes, it's possible. But if I type 5, look at this. Right, no, it's not possible. Yes, because 2 plus 2 is not 5. Okay, let me try one thing. No, give it up. No, maybe. Could have error, yes, error, the type error. Okay, I'm gonna tell you about errors and how to manage them in a Python to do not get an error. I can tell you, I think, in the next video. Okay, you see, for example, this thing that you can use it. Okay, this is. Wait, let me write it. Print. Hello world. This. Wait. This is 4. That's good color to text. For example, 4 dots B plus. So, let's go for back. It's the same with this. For example, paint back. Wait, back. Oh, back. Dot blue or red. Red with this. If there's sentences for the word, look at the output. All of them. Oh, let's see. The color of the. Wait, I'm gonna import one library called OS. If you remember, it's recording. Yes. If you remember, I made one video about this library, and I want to use OS system to clear my console to show it be more beautiful. Alright, for me. Hello world. Here, do you see? But all of them here are red, as you can see. Okay, but if, for example, is another thing. Oh, what we can do? For example, here I'm gonna type that. For example, what? I'm gonna type 4 dot red. Let's see. For example, times error. Okay. Look at this. We have one problem here. We can't see that the error with this color. You know, we set the red background for these sentences, but after that all of them are red and we can't see anything. How we can make it with here, with this type. We have to come here and write style. Wait, it was yes. Style dot resets all. And what is the problem? Still the object is not. Wait, let me check here. Because I watched from this site. This it's on. I think we have to print this as I see that. Wait, print this. I remember why. I want to check. And wait. Inside. Okay. Style. Set all. How we can use it. In the here's for example. Style nothing. Style. Set all without anything. Didn't need this here. Okay, as you can see, here again, this time that we didn't set any background for them, doesn't have any background, and going to black one because the default of that C is black. And yes, it's Colorama, for example. And what we can do again? Only the important things was that, but only for example this Colorama for this thing only for oh, let me write it for you. Get back 1, 2, 3 to text reset all colors for background. That means it was the same with this. Doesn't have any differences. And actually, the important thing is only was this free. You can use it in your projects, in your tools that you want to make. And I hope you guys like this video. And look at this, my developer is cool now. And here, even if you want it, I'm gonna make a video of that how we can make your desktop look like that and too clean. Because if you remember, I have too much files here and it was dirty. But now it's clean, and if you want, I can make a video of that how to make clean your desktop. Okay? Or no, how to make your desktop clean. Yes. And I hope you like this video. And if you like it, please subscribe me. Thanks for watching.